Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to fix screen guard on GoPro Hero 11. No matter 9, 10 or 11 you have, but right now I have in 11. I will show you how to fix screen guard here, here and here. I have 3 types of screen guard and I will put it here the screen guard. Why we are adding this one? Because of sometimes I'm using very rough and I put it here in the table like this. So sometimes I scared my screen is damaged. That point of view, I purchased the screen guard and now I will fix here. So we will see detailed demonstration. So now this is my GoPro and I just simply use the wipes, this one. So first of all, I just use this one to clean the glass. The screen guard are providing this one. Just I purchased the GoPro. This one is a new. I'm not touching it. The screen also, but still I clean this one. Okay, I put it here properly. Here is a screen guard. I have 3 types of screen guard, but first of all I will use the big one like this. Look at this, and the perfect match. Now I use and I put it here like this. Using the wipes I can change the location like this. If there is not fixed, you can remove like this, and after that again fix properly this location to that location and then fix. Look at this, it's automatically gone and boom, the fog is gone automatically. Look at this, the entire fog is gone. It's easy to fix. Now change the location like this. We can add here this one, but before we clean properly, remove this one like this and fix. Sometimes is careful. Look at this, and now just wrap up. It's easy. Now time third one. Now this one is this. We can clean first one, and it's easy to remove like this. After use your hand like this and put it here, and boom, now my entire GoPro is secure. If something is damaged or happen, so not my original screen are damaged, just screen guard is damaged. And this screen guard is available on Amazon or AliExpress or other platforms also. Link is available on video description, so you can purchase this one properly, fix out. No one are recognize you added the screen guard or not. It's easy to purchase and it's easy to fix the screen guard on your GoPro. Because of this one is a little expensive. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.